Greetings and a warm welcome to Principle 10. Organize around value. After an insightful journey through the previous 9 principles, it's time to expand our comprehension. In our preceding videos, we delved deep into each of the 9 principles, uncovering valuable insights along the way. Now, we embark on the exploration of Principle 10, Organize around value. Stay tuned as we dive into this essential principle, aiming to enhance our understanding and enrich our knowledge further. John P. Cotter, author of the breakthrough text Leading Change, in his book says, "The world is now changing at a rate at which the basic systems, structures and cultures built over the past century cannot keep up with the demands being placed on them." Also, Mick Kirsten in the book of Projects to Product says applying management frameworks from 100 years ago to organizations that need to compete in the digital age is futile. In John Cotter's Accelerate, he paints a vivid picture of successful enterprises. They don't emerge as large and sluggish entities from the outset. Instead, they often start as nimble, adaptable networks of driven individuals, united by a common vision and a customer-centric focus. In these early stages, roles and reporting structures are flexible, and collaboration flows naturally. Teams work together to identify customer needs, explore innovative solutions, and deliver value in every way possible. It's an entrepreneurial network, shaped by adaptability and a shared commitment to serving customers. As these enterprises thrive, a desire for growth emerges. This growth necessitates greater clarity in individual responsibilities to ensure crucial tasks are executed effectively. The need for specialized expertise leads to the hiring of specialists, the creation of departments, and the establishment of policies and procedures to ensure legality, compliance, and cost efficiency. The business begins to organize itself by function, which can inadvertently lead to the formation of silos. However, parallel to this structural evolution, the entrepreneurial network continues its quest to uncover fresh opportunities to provide value. Hierarchies are adopted as they provide stability and has several benefits. Some of them are as follows. Clear organizational structure. Hierarchies provide a clear and well-defined structure which helps employees understand their roles, responsibilities, and reporting lines. Efficient decision-making. Hierarchical structures facilitate efficient decision-making processes by delineating authority levels and decision-makers, reducing ambiguity. Accountability. Hierarchy encourages accountability, as individuals are responsible for specific tasks, making it easier to track performance and ensure accountability. Specialization. Hierarchies allow for specialization, with employees focusing on their designated roles, leading to expertise in their areas of responsibility. Scalability. As organizations grow, hierarchical structures provide a scalable framework for managing larger teams and more complex operations. Getting benefits from hierarchies and to attain the advantages of increasing economies of scale, the corporate hierarchy naturally expands. It grows, and it keeps growing. However, as it assumes the practices and responsibilities typical of large corporations, a clash emerges with the entrepreneurial network. While this structure has its advantages, such as specialization and efficiency within each department, it also comes with several challenges. Lack of collaboration. Siloed departments tend to work independently, which can hinder collaboration and information sharing across the organization. This also encourages innovation. Slow decision-making. Decision-making often becomes slow and bureaucratic in a siloed structure, as decisions need to pass through multiple layers of management within each department. Lack of customer centricity. Siloed organizations can struggle to focus on the customer and their needs because departments are primarily concerned with their own functions rather than the overall customer experience. Inefficiency. There may be inefficiencies in processes that span multiple departments, as each department may optimize its processes without considering the end-to-end workflow. Low employee engagement. Employees may become disengaged or frustrated when they see the bigger picture and have ideas for improvement, but are constrained by the boundaries of their departments. Empowered by its current revenue and profitability goals, the hierarchical structure collides head-on with the agile, fast-moving network. The outcome? The network often finds itself overshadowed and compromised in the process. Customer centricity, a core principle, can become a casualty. Customer centricity, a mindset that guides organizations to make decisions rooted in a profound understanding of their impact on customers and end users, encourages behaviors that drive success. However, this critical mindset can erode in the face of slower decision-making processes inherent in hierarchical structures. So, what's the solution? Do we discard hierarchies altogether? Join us in our next video as we explore the remedy, the dual operating system. Stay tuned for the next installment, where we delve into the innovative solution to navigate these challenges and unleash the full potential of your organization.
Advance Agility is a rapidly expanding global company specializing in digital and agile transformation. As a gold partner of Scaled Agile, we are dedicated to helping organizations implement digital practices and cultivate an agile mindset. For further information and to explore how we can support your organizational goals and personal career growth through coaching, mentoring, and training, please connect with us on LinkedIn and visit our website at advanceagility.com. By using our coupon code MARK20, you can get amazing discounts.